Are you tired of generating countless passwords for all your online accounts? In this video, I'm going to be showing you free password manager that you can use to generate your password and manage all your online accounts. All right, are you ready? Let's dive in. Click on Notepad. Notepad. You click on the first link. All right. For business or for person, if you are a business, you click for business, because for business, business have more features. All right. But if you're an individual, you click personal. This tutorial, let's go with personal. Right. You click on try free. You put your email, and I already created this account. So let's go to the back end. Right. Yeah, when you're done creating the account, it will show something like this. All right. So here is where the magic start happening. You go to, you click on add items. And now it's showing multiple options. Do you want to save your password? Do you want to save a note? Do you want to a secure note? Do you want to save a credit card info? Do you want to save your personal info? But let's go with password, right? Now we want to save our password. Now we'll click on let's take an analogy. We want to save our password, our Facebook password. Then we'll click on title password. No, sorry, Facebook, right? You see, I click on Facebook, the Facebook logo shows on its own. You click on Facebook, and this is really good. You click on Facebook, then you click your email or your username, right? Let me click on this. Express Vision. Then now let us generate a password, right? Let me say, let me just generate a random password. That is good. Then let's go to the next tab. You can add a text, maybe if you want to add a text, or you can click on this if you want to hide a text, but I do not think we should be doing that right now. You can add another folder, maybe if you can add another folder, right? Or maybe put the name of the folder you want to add, then you click on add, right? Don't save. Then you can add any folder, you can do anything you want to do right here, but I do not think we should be doing that right now. Then here you should write a short note. Then this is really important. You will write a short note about the account you are opening. For instance, now let me just do something like, let me say this is then you save it, right? Yeah, cool. Done. Maybe if you each time you want to access what you just did right here, you log in, you click on all items, then you click on you click on the account logo, then all your details will pop up, right? If you want your password to be visible, you click on this and your password will be visible. Then here is your email or your username, and here is other folder you created, and the short note you wrote here is how you remember what you have done and the kind of account you have, most especially people who have multiple accounts, multiple accounts, you can write a short note here, right? And that is it for now. Then you go to secure note. Secure note, this maybe if you have a text, if for those of the people that wrote that are writing books, or maybe you have some books you want to save, you click on secure notes, you click on it, you add a title like what we did before, then you write the notes right here. If you want to add any folder, you add any folder, then you save it, right? It's really easy. Include your credit card. If you want to, if you can add your credit card name right here. You add the card owner name, you write your name or the card owner, your credit card owner. Then you write the card number here, the expiration date, the CVV, the PIN, and the postcode. Your postcode, right? Then you write a short note about it and you save it, right? And personal info, maybe if you have a street, maybe a street or something, you put the name of, maybe the name of your street, or the name of maybe for those that are in business, the name of the street of your client, you put it right here, and you save it, right? Then maybe if you want to generate a password, for instance, you want to create a Facebook account, and you want to generate a password. Then the password, you later bring it here and save it. You click on generate password, then you come down, you know you can use as from 8 to 60 text, but I prefer you put it in the middle. you know Hackers hack so many accounts because of weak password, right? One password, one account, one password, one account, one man, one vote. You know what I mean? Now you click on, for the people that don't know how to copy, you click on your mouse, on your left mouse, you click and hold it and drag it, and you click and you right click and copy. You go to your account, you paste it there. For instance, you paste it to your account, you come back, and when you are done, you you come back again. When you're done saving it, you come in your account, come back here, you add more items password, then you put it again. That's just it, man.